action! Hi everybody, welcome to Country Farmhouse Quilting. I'm Marnae, and today I would like to showcase one of my quilts. This quilt is my thread spool quilt, and I was inspired to make this quilt by So Yeah. And if you haven't checked out So Yeah on YouTube, check them out because they'll walk you through on how to make this quilt. I did this, and this took me a little time to put together. I finally finished it at retreat last October, and I just finished binding it today because I just quilted it 2 days ago. So the spools on my quilt are batiks, and these batiks, as you will notice in a lot of these, have little sewing notions in them, and these sewing notion little charms in my spools came from my friend Polly, who sent them to me. And when she sent them to me, I knew I had to do something special with them, and I knew I loved them because they were these sewing notions. So I thought they have to be spools. Even my spool spools, the outside of the spools, are batiks, and the background is batik. The sashing in between was some fabric that I had that I picked up at a quilt shop, and I saved it for something special, and this was it. So the sashing here says "Happy Sewing, Make Do, and Mend." So I just thought it was very fitting to this quilt. The back, I have some green checkered, and you can really see the stitching of the spools and needles on this quilt. So I just think this turned out really cool, and it was just so worth showing. My binding, I'm so proud of my binding because I've become a very good binder. My binding, I did like this brown, which has like little flecks of tan and green, so it really just kind of matched my quilt. And it is also a batik, and I really, really love the way this turned out. So if you like this video, please like, please subscribe, check out my other videos and all of my showcase quilts. I will chat at you later.